I'm going to show you how I create hyperlinks for a case using a JavaScript tool. Before I start, I've made a file note of the 10 volumes of documents that I need to hyperlink and the starting and end number of each volume. I use standard spreadsheets that have formulas in, and then the information I need for each case is just the list of documents, and then I generate a full list of all possible pinpoint references for the case. So to start by filling in the list of documents, we can get that from the folder once the Bates pagination has finished. I use the command prompt here to get a basic directory listing and convert that into a text file. I can then open up the text file. We don't need the PDF extensions, so we'll get rid of those. These are the numbers we need for that column. So copy those, Control C, paste those into this column. The next task is just to create all of the pinpoint references for the case. So there are two methods. The first is to start the series and then use the crosshair to expand it out for each bundle. This is the first bundle, which I know has just 12 pages in it. The second method is to put the first page for bundle 2 and then use fill series. We increment with one page after the suffix, and I look up my file note to see that bundle 1 goes up to page 210. So as that's filled, it's generated the relevant hyperlink references, and that's what we then copy to put in the executable file. I've filled column A for the other 8 volumes already. So we'll copy that file, that column, and put it into the relevant linker file. So that first column goes here, and then we go and get the second column. And the difference is that for that column we have to make sure to paste the values rather than the formula. Now that's ready for executing. Save that as a CSV file. Here's the JavaScript application. Choose the document to hyperlink. So let's start out with the table of contents. Then I choose the hyperlinking file I've just created. And we hit run. So it'll tell me that it's processing, but it doesn't take long. That file is done, and let's go and get the chronology and do that too. So there's the chronology using the same hyperlinking file, so we just hit run. And both of them are done now. So we'll just check that. So firstly, let's look at the contents. We can open up document 10167. You can see down the bottom that's the correct document. And all of those references are working. And let's check the chronology because that one had pinpoint references. So this one is a pinpoint reference to 202. And you can see that that's got the correct page opening up at page 202, but the document ID is 193. So that's all worked and we're done.